Have you ever had a dream so vivid that when you woke up, you could untell if you were in a dream or awake? What if I told you that you were dreaming right now? You might think I'm crazy, but stay with me. This could change your life. Imagine if someone handed you a magic genie. You could make any wish and it would come true. But there is one catch. The genie only appears once a year to grant your wish. How long could you go without wishing for something? Most people wouldn't make it past the first day without wishing for something to eat, then somewhere to live, and then something to watch. They would use up their wish on things rather than being. When we are born, we are given the ability to harness the universe. We can move mountains, but we spend our lives wishing for things like a new car or a bigger house. Why do we do this? Because we believe these things will make us happy. But how often does it actually work? When we get what we want, the happiness we imagined never lasts. Soon, we want something else. Our minds are always searching for something beyond the horizon, always wanting more. The truth is that happiness is not somewhere out there. It's already inside of you. You just have to find it. There are 3 ways to do this. 1. Stop chasing things and start chasing being. Stop running after things and start appreciating what you have. Run after being, not things. That is the path to happiness. 2. Let go of your attachments. The mind is like a parachute. It only works when it's open. The more you try to grab onto things, the less effective your mind becomes. Let go of your attachments and watch your happiness soar. 3. Practice contentment. When you are content, you are at peace with who you are and what you have. Practice contentment every day and you will find true happiness. Now let's take a look at how we can apply these principles to our daily lives. We all have the ability to harness the universe. Just think about it. We can create our own destiny. We can achieve anything we set our minds to. But most people don't realize this. They go through life on autopilot, just doing what they've always done. They never really stop to think about how they can harness the universe to their advantage. If you want to be successful, you have to be intentional. You have to decide how you're going to harness the universe. It all starts with your thoughts. Your thoughts control your actions. If you think negative thoughts, you will take negative actions. But if you think positive thoughts, you will take positive actions, and positive actions will create positive results. If you want to create positive results in your life, you have to start thinking positively. But how do you do that? It's simple. You have to focus on the good things in life. When things go wrong, it's easy to focus on the negative. But when things go right, it's important to appreciate the positive. When you focus on the good things in life, it will attract more good things. Another way to harness the universe is by letting go of your attachments. Attachments cause suffering. When you get attached to a particular outcome, you're essentially putting your happiness in the hands of the universe. And that's not a good place to be. The only thing you can control is your actions. So focus on what you can control and let go of the rest. Finally, you must practice contentment. Contentment is key to harnessing the universe. When you're content, you're at peace with who you are and what you have. You do not need to constantly strive for more because you know that you already have everything you need. Practicing contentment every day will help you become one with the universe. And when you're one with the universe, you're truly free. In conclusion, you have the ability to harness the universe, but most people don't realize this. To harness the universe, think positively. Let go of your attachments and practice contentment. When you do these 3 things, you'll be able to create the life you want, and you'll finally be happy. Now I leave you with this. How can you harness the universe today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.